Now we're going to give a little bit more to our rings here that we've created. So as we see here, see I've got everything selected well. So let's come up here and go to our ring selection here for our image, and we're going to hold down our command key and click on it, and there you see it'll select everything here. So let's just, what we're going to do is we're going to reapply this twirl. Command F, let's Command F it again, and one more, and one more. Let's do it a couple more times. There we go. Now those are looking more like planetary rings that I want to see on my planets. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and, let's go ahead and flatten this a little bit. Let's go to Edit, let's go to Transform, let's go to Scale. What we're going to do is we're just going to kind of flatten this up. We're going to put it on a rock planet, so we'll just come over here and scale it around to how we want it to look, like so. Now what we're going to do is pull it out a little bit more. There we go. Actually, we're going to make these big and huge, so I'm not too worried about it. Just go ahead and scale those out really big, like so. Wonderful. Now let's rotate them. I don't like them straight across like that, like you see in all the images. I like my stuff to be a little bit out there. So let's go ahead and hit rotate on our transform button. You can just rotate them around. Let's rotate them like this. I like this. This looks real good. Like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and leave it here. We'll hit enter. And what we're going to do is we're just going to rate around where our planet's at. And to do that, it'd be easier if we just come over here and hit Command and selected our planet and just erased everything on the inside of it. So we'll pause right here and we'll pick it up at the next part.